make a mention that whatever has been appearing in the newspapers is a private agency, and the Interfax, also the so-called is also a private news agency, probably in Moscow, wherever, which we are not aware. But it has nothing to do with official Russian information. The so-called Russian Information Center, which claims to have given a press report, is a private travel agency which has been giving help, whatever help as a part of that commercial, to all the Russians who need translations and all this type of help. It is in no way a official body of the Russian government, Russian consulate, or even our office. It does on its own, as they claim, as a social service and help to the Russians. So please be informed that whatever has come in the press is not an official advisory, and there has been no advisory given by the Russian authorities that Goa is a destination which is unsafe. In fact, I must add, as a consul and also as a notarian, that Goa is relatively safe. It is relatively safe.